Okay children, today we will learn how to draw a peacock. Now this front portion of the peacock is already printed in your book, but I will teach you this portion also. So we will draw the whole peacock today. Let's start. First you have to draw number 2. You must have seen how to draw 2. See, you will draw 2 like this, but after this much portion you will, instead of making it straight, you will make a curve and take it upwards and then bring it back till here. You have to extend it till here. Now after that we will make the lower portion of the face. You have to bring it like this, then make a curve and bring it down like this till here. Then you take it back till this line. Now this line and this line should come front of each other, but this much portion we have to leave for making the tail. Now here we will come back to the face portion. We will make the beak first. Make a curve like this, then make a straight line, join this from this side and this line from this side, so the beak is ready. Now we will make the eye. Make 3 lines on top for the crown. After that we will come to the feet. For drawing the feet you have to make one line like this backward, this line little straight, make curves here, then bring the feet down straight. And you know peacock is a perching bird, so its toes are 2 in front and 1 at the back. Then you must have learned this in class 3 science. Now again this portion we will make like this curved, then this portion straight, again curves. Bring this line near to this toe, then again 2 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. So the feet of the peacock are ready. Now we'll come to the tail portion. For tail you will make a dotted line with pencil first, make it backwards, then curve it and bring it back to the lower portion. Now like this you will make a curve with dotted line. After that, as you make leaf, edges of the leaf, you have to make in the same way. This line longer, then small curve, then longer, small curve, longer, small curve. Like this you will make the leaf. Just like a leaf you will make this edges, then make it round like this from here, and lower portion also you will do the same way. Longer, then a curve, long line, then a curve, long line, curve, long line, curve. Like this you will make the tail portion. Then you have to make the ovals. You will start making little smaller ovals in front, then as you go back you will increase their size like this. Your ovals should become bigger at the back like this. Like this you will make bigger ovals at the back. Then you make a small circle at the end of each oval like this, and one curve at the top also like this. You have to complete all the ovals like this. Now one thing you have to remember, when you will color, you have to color base color light green, and after that directly with dark green color you will do the lines like this. You will make the lines in all the ovals like this later with the green, dark green color. First you do the base color light green, then you will do these lines with dark green color directly. No need to draw this with pencil. You will directly draw them with dark green color. After making these lines, you will make some dark green lines in between also, straight lines directly like this with color. Okay. Like this. Now we come to the center portion of the peacock. You draw one curve like this. Here also you will draw curves. Now you can see your peacock is ready. You can start